In Tuscaloosa County, on the minds of many this weekend is the anniversary of the April 27th tornado outbreak. 7 years post-storm, the lives lost and the property destroyed back in 2011 left a mark on our state that won't soon be forgotten. And in Tuscaloosa County, where 53 people lost their lives, CBS 42 News reporter Tim Reed is revisiting a church that rebuilt stronger than ever.
After losing their church 7 years ago, the College Hill Missionary Baptist Church now has a brand new sanctuary where they can worship, and the congregation is thankful. Sunday morning, every member of this Alberta church was praising the name of God.
I told my wife and son, I said, y'all, get in the hallway. We don't have time to go downstairs. Get in the hallway. So we got in the hallway, we hovered down there, we prayed.
John Nero and his family survived the April 27th tornado. That day, not only did they lose their church, but they also lost their home and nearly lost their lives.
My feet came off the floor. The pressure was so great. My wife was holding one leg, my son was holding the other one, and all I could do was to call on Jesus. I just started saying, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
The Nero family now has a brand new house just 1 block from their church. Their former house is gone. It's just an empty lot. They also have a new church. The College Hill Missionary Baptist Church was rebuilt in February 2017.
We're back here at our worship center on the site that God had blessed us with. So it gives us that challenge to continue to do the work of the Lord. There's a lot to be done in the community.
The church has been in Alberta for 36 years. After the storm, another local church opened its doors to allow them to have a home while they rebuild.
Well, I'm first thankful for salvation. I thank God that He cared enough. He spared us.
John Nero tells us April 27th will always be a day his family will never forget.
But, you know, just to experience something, now I can go out and tell people just how great God is.
The pastor tells me things could have been much worse on April 27th. Prayer meeting was scheduled that night, but fortunately, none of his members were inside the church when the tornado touched down. In Tuscaloosa, Tim Reed, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.